What's going on? Jake here with Uncommon EDC, and today I'm checking out the Hank of the Month Club subscription from Gondek EDC for September of 2022. For $10 a month, they send you a unique Hank each month, about 7.5 by 7.5, that they don't sell in their store. They do sell other Hanks, but this design is exclusive to the Hank of the Month Club. You can also use the fabric or material from that month Hank to customize any of the pouches on their website, so another added benefit. But again, it's $10 shipped, so really good deal, one of my favorite subscriptions. But let's go ahead and dive in. I'm just gonna kind of tear this open. And I've heard good things about this month, so I'm super excited to check it out. We of course get a letter as well as the Hank itself. Let's start with the Hank. Really cool digital camo pattern. Just this kind of brown digital camo pattern. So super cool. Again, 7.5 by 7.5. Usually I find this a little bit smaller, closer to 7 by 7, and then it has this nice microfiber on the back, super soft for cleaning your knives or your phone or whatever. But let's check out the letter for this month. And feel free to pause it and read it yourself, but I will read it, so you can skip forward or pause it, whatever you want. This is our 32nd month of the Hank of the Month Club. We're working our way to the big 3-year anniversary. This month's design was picked by me, Max. We get a lot of requests for camo, and when we add it to our store, it usually goes fast. We've been looking for a digi camo to add for a while, and we saw this one. We thought it was perfect for Hank of the Month Club. Surprisingly, the entire time we have done the club, we haven't had anything camo. Well, enough is enough. While I personally love Hanks with a bunch of color or bold design, it is good to have something that blends in. Pun intended. I tend to pick my Hank designs based on what I am doing, so this is going to be a great option to have. I hope you guys enjoy this month's Hank as much as I do, and don't forget that Hank of the Month Club members can get pouches, organizers, even EDC rolls made from the Hank of the Month Club fabric. As always, thank you so much for being a member of our club. We can't wait to show you what's in the months to come. Happy hanking. Thanks, Max and Lauren Gondek. Yeah, so super cool. Just kind of essential Hank, I feel like. I do have some camo from them as well, not from the Hank of the Month Club, obviously. They just said that they haven't done camo in the Hank of the Month Club, but I do have some of their camo patterns. But super cool to see a digital camo one in here, and really cool colors on this. Just kind of the earthy tones. So, fun Hank of the Month Club this month. Let me know what you think of this month's down in the comments below, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as always, I hope you have a great one. Take care.